Over the weekend, I finally read in detail Senate Bill 1979, and I was shocked and I was appalled by some of the elements of that, because this is all this woke that they are trying to bring into our system. You will teach four-year-olds how to masturbate. That every child has the right to try different sexualities. This is ridiculous. It is abhorrent. It is a travesty of what sexual and sex education should be to the children. What about the parents? Wala na silang karapatan na silang mag-decide kung ano at kailan tuturuan yung bata. I'm a parent and I'm a grandparent. So I feel very strongly about this. So let me be very, very clear. I still believe education in terms of teaching kids the anatomy of the reproductive systems of male and females is extremely important. The consequences of early pregnancy, the prevalence of HIV, kailangan ituro lahat yan para alam ng mga kabataan. Pero yung mga sinama nila na mga woke na absurdities are abhorrent to me. And I'm already guaranteeing, hindi pa napasa ito. Pero if this bill is passed in that form, I guarantee all parents, teachers, and children, I will immediately veto it.
Mr. President, with all due respect, maliwanag na wala po sa bill kahit ang salita na masturbation. Wala din po yung try different sexualities. CSE contains the very same things you support. Teaching kids anatomy, the consequences of early pregnancy. Yan po ang atin ding isinusulong. I am willing to accept amendments to refine the bill.